Welcome to the Pleasure Code. I'm your host, Rasan, and today's episode is a reminder, one worth engraving into your rhythm. Feel her before you move. This episode is about tuning in, sensory awareness, the art of noticing before you act, the difference between penetrating and connecting. Because when you're in sync with her breath, her rhythm, her emotion, you're not just inside her, you're resonating with something deeper. The missed language. Most men rush the moment. They think moment is the magic. But what actually unlocks her is your stillness, your presence, your sensitivity. Her body is always speaking. Temperature shifts, goosebumps, tension in her thighs. Those are the cues. That's her saying, I'm opening. Keep going. Or maybe, wait. Hold me here. Think of her body like an instrument. You don't just play it. You tune it first. When you move without feeling first, you disconnect. You force. You miss the opening. Here's your training prompt. Before you stroke, pause at full entry. Don't just thrust. Listen. Breathe. Feel. Tilt your hips slightly down at the base and let the head of your P lift and press gently into her upper wall. That's where the magic lives. Now stay there. Breathe with her. Count her breaths. Feel the rise in her belly. Let her rhythm guide your motion, not your ego. You'll notice her breathing changes. Her legs might wrap tighter. That's the yes. This is how you activate sensory awareness. This is how you become unforgettable. You want to know why some women don't crave round two? It's not because they don't love you. It's because they never got to fully open. You were in them, but never with them. And that changes tonight. So before you press forward next time, feel her, tune her, and wait for her body to invite you deeper. Because when you do, you're not just stroking her, you're guiding her. You've been listening to The Pleasure Code. If this episode opened your eyes or your heart, share it with another brother who's ready to level up. Subscribe, leave a comment, and let's keep decoding the path to deeper connection. Until next time, move less, feel